As the largest marine chassis provider and pool manager in the U.S., TRAC's focus has always been on our chassis fleet excellence. Since 2011, we've invested over $1 billion to continually improve our fleet, adding new premium equipment and starting our BlueEdge chassis upgrade program, which transforms older chassis to the highest level of safety and performance. Each year, thousands of TRAC chassis are converted to feature LED lights and radial tires. TRAC operates one of the largest tire retreading facilities in the U.S., utilizing rigorous quality control systems and a proprietary compounded intermodal rubber. TRAC ensures tire safety while minimizing tread wear. Retreading results in 70% fewer emissions than production of a new tire. Plus, our innovative sustainability programs have helped recycle over 1.6 million pounds of pure rubber dust.
TRAC Tyre Services is an important strategic investment for TRAC. It allows us to maximise the quality of the tyres that we utilise in our chassis business, while also ensuring that we deliver them at the best possible cost. Critically, our partnership with Goodyear and our use of technology has enabled us to ensure that we also develop the most sustainable solution for the provision of tyres for our business. It's all about efficiency and sustainability at TRAC, and TRAC Tyre Services is a big part of that for our business.
For more than 50 years, TRAC has been delivering chassis solutions that work for you, focused on quality, driven by innovation.